everyone, we're going to find the value of inverse sine of 2. So some of you might be thinking, well, that one looks strange. Well, let's rewrite it and do it the right way. We just have this singular inverse function. So if we set inverse sine of 2 equal to theta, we can write this as sine of theta equals 2. And that means we have to be between -1 and 1. Our 2 is not in between -1 and 1. Therefore, this is undefined. Another way to look at this is that when you're looking at this, we're looking for a 2. We're going from -1 to 1. There's no 2 in here. And I think the best way to look at this is if you have sine of theta equals 2 divided by 1. Remember, this is your opposite over your hypotenuse. That means your opposite is larger than your hypotenuse, which doesn't make sense. So basically, it's undefined. Now, I gave you another one that's very similar, but it's with cosine. So if you want to pause the video and try to do this one, you can. But basically, we're going to write this as cosine of theta, and I'm just looking at the inner function here, equals pi. All right, so when you're looking at that, that means we have to be between -1 and 1. And it's not. Pi is 3.14. And again, if you write this in fraction form, this would be adjacent over hypotenuse, which means our adjacent's larger, so it doesn't make sense, so that's undefined. Also, if you looked at the table, we're going from, now pi is on this side, right? But what we're looking for is this side. We're going from 1 to -1, and there's no pi there. So again, this is a good one to look at. It's undefined. It also doesn't match our form here. So it has this form here. So that would mean it has to be in between -1 and 1, which it is not. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.